Hello everyone. How are you today? We are all good here, and we just recovered from COVID virus. I'm Chichi. I'm from the marketing team at JHCTECH, and welcome to our webinar today. And thank you for taking your time to stay with us. Before starting the webinar, I want to share you guys the good news that our company have moved to a new data factory and the new office. So now I want to show you some pictures. Next page. Okay. Okay. So page. Yes, as you can see from those pictures, and our office is quite modern and professional, and we will be glad to welcome you this year to visit our new premises. And this will be a very good opportunity for us to build a closer relationship and also learn more about your requirement for our product and improve our product to match your demand. So this is our new plan for our channel partners this year. So anyway, we look forward to seeing you in Shenzhen soon. Okay. So back to the topic. So today the topic is product launch announcement. So next page. So here is our rough agenda. So as usual, Gary, our customer solution manager, he will introduce our latest product, KGEC-6200 and KGEC-6500. Then and he will walk you through our new product features. So during this webinar, if you have any questions, you can write them down in the chat box and we will answer you later. Okay, so I don't want to occupy too much time of Gary. So Gary, I hand it over to you.
Okay, hello everyone, I'm Gary and nice to meet you today. I'm going to introduce our JHCTECH new products, and there are two models today, and I will introduce them. Okay, the first one is the high performance industrial edge controller. It named KGEC-6500. I will introduce from this the following 5 contents. First one is our KGEC series roadmap, and next is the product features of this KGEC-6500. Next is the order information, target market, and this product schedule. Okay. The first part is the KGEC series roadmap. From this picture, we can see that we have some KGEC series products. First one is KGEC-6200. The processor is Intel Alpha-like processor. And the next is KGEC-6300 and 6310. The processor is Skylake or Kaby Lake S processor, and the difference is KGEC-6301 has more LAN ports for PoE and the DIO interface. Next is the KGEC-6310. The processor is onboard CPU with Intel Skylake. And next is the new product today. It's KGEC-6500. The processor is Intel Common Lake S. Okay. We have a list compare the KGEC-6500 and the KGEC-6300. First, the difference is the processor. For 6300, the processor is Skylake or Kaby Lake S, and for KGEC-6500, the processor is Intel Common Lake S. So the chipset is different also. And the new product can support dual channel memory with DDR4 SOD, but the last product only have a single channel memory. These two products with 2 GB network ports, and the new product is HDMI and DVI dual independent display. It supports 4 USB 3 and 3 USB 2, and there's 1 USB inside. It can support two COM ports on the front panel, and there's 1 serial port on the motherboard. The 6500 KGEC can support 1 2.5-inch data stream and 1 M SATA storage, but the 6300 can only support 1 M SATA storage. The power supply is they are all stem with DC 12 to 24 voltage wide power input. And there are 2 installation methods with the wall mounting and the DIN mounting. And next is the weight and the size and the expansion. For this new product, KGEC-6500, there's only 1 expansion slot with PCIe X4 slot. It's the X4 signal. But for 6300, it can support 1 PCIe X4 or 1 PCI single expansion slot. Also, you can choose 1 PCIe plus 1 PCI dual expansion slot. So it has more expansion slots than KGEC-6500. Okay, next is product features. And I will introduce this following 8 product highlights of this product. First is a high performance processor. As we have known, this product is equipped with Intel Common Lake processor. So compared to the previous generation of the Coffee Lake processor, the performance has improved by 18%, and running the performance of Windows application can improve about 8%. So it's a high performance processor. Next is the network chip. There's 1 226V network chip, and the next is I219 network chip. So the 226 network chip can support industrial real-time Ethernet protocols like EtherCAT, Profibus, Autobus, and others real-time applications. We also can provide the BIOS optimized for high real-time operation system, like Windows with in-time ECWin, and or Linux OS like Ubuntu Premium RT or Xenomine. Okay, next is the display interface. There's 1 HDMI and 1 DVI interface. We choose the DVI because this interface can support up to 30 meters transmission. Okay, next is the development platform. And actually, it can support the third-party controller development platforms such as CodeAssist because of the real-time performance of this product. Okay, next part is the expansion slot. This product can support one PCIe slot with X4 signal. So we can install like PoE card or other motion control cards installed in the expansion slot. Okay, here's the size and dimension or weight about this product with the expansion or without expansion. Okay, next is the installation methods. There are two methods installation. The first one is wall mounting, and also it can support DIN rail mounting. Right. Next part is the order information. There's only one model of this product, and you can choose the expansion module. It's the optional, and there are two power adapter. Next is the target market. Because of the real-time performance of this product, so we focus on the bus motion control market, such as CNC or robot arm, AGV, and others applications need the real-time requirements. Okay. For the KGEC-6500, it has been mass production now, so you can order in this product now. Okay, before I introduce next product, I want to show you the new product. It's KGEC. This is KGEC-6500. Okay. First is the power supply, and there are two serious ports: one HDMI, one DVI, and two network ports, and 4 USB 3. This part is the expansion slot. Okay, I will open it. Yeah, it's very easy to assemble it. Here's a PCIe X4 slot at here, so you can install the expansion cards with the PCIe interface at here. And this side here has a fan for cooling. It's for CPU cooling. Okay, this is the KGEC-6500 product. Let's go on. Next, I will introduce our another product. Is also KGEC series. It's named KGEC-6200. It's we define it as a compact AMR controller. It also have the 5 contents. The first one is the roadmap I have introduced just now, and next is the key features of this product, and next part is order information, target market, and the product schedule. Okay, let's go. Here is a new product. The processor is air Halleck. Okay, Here is a list of these product features. First is CPU. It's the Alder SoC CPU with Celeron J6412 or Celeron N6210. It can support DDR4 SODIMM single channel memory and have two network chip with 225 network, and there's one HDMI display, single display, and have the two USB 3, two USB 2, and USB inside. It can support two serious ports and can support one HDMI, support one 8BDIO or one MIO for CAN bus. And for storage, there's only one mSATA. The power supply, there are two options. You can choose DC in 12 voltage or DC 9 to 36 watt power input. Installation have three methods: wall mounting, DIN mounting, or table mounting. And expansion, that it can support one 4-size mini PCIe slot, can support like 4G or Wi-Fi module. Okay. Here is the picture shows this product I/O interface. From the left to right, here's a power button, remote switch, USB ports, LAN ports, HDMI, and power supply, DC. Yeah. This is the right side of this product. There are two COM ports and one MIO. This MIO interface, you can choose the DIO function, or you can choose the CAN bus module from this interface. Next is the KGEC-6200 product features. I will introduce one by one next. First is a high performance processor. As we know, it's equipped with the Alder processor compared to Intel J.11. It has the J6412 is 4 cores and 4 threads. It has more frequencies than previous processor, and it can support up to 4 memory channel, support DDR4 up to 32 GB. So compared to the previous generation of the processor, the single thread performance can up to 1.7 times. The multi-thread workload can improve about 1.5 times. The graphic performance can improve about 2 times. So this has more performance than J.11. Okay, next is for graphical. It can for this product, there's only one HDMI display interface, but it can support up to 4K resolution with Intel 10th generation UHD graphical. So it can support virus decoding and encoding. Okay, next is the network chip. The dual I226V network chip can support real-time performance. We also can provide the real-time performance to support real-time operation system. Okay. Next is for the operation system. So it can support the mainstream robot OS or third-party controller development platforms such as Windows or Windows 10, Linux like Ubuntu or Debian, Primate RT or Xenomai, and this is real-time software code access. It's a famous software. Okay. Next is introduce this product is mini size and ultra lightweight. Okay, from this picture we can see that the size is about as same as the 3.5-inch HDD. So it's very suitable for applications such as the AGV or AMR in a small size distribution box. Okay, next page. It's the fanless box computer with IP51 protection level. For CPU cooling, it adopts the passive heat dissipation design. So it can support the wide working temperature suitable for working in a semi-closed box or semi-outdoor applications. Okay, next is the flexible installation. There are three methods installation. First one is steering rail mounting, or wall mounting, or desktop mounting. And we also designed with reinforced with anti-dripping to prevent the connecting wire or a cable from falling off in a mobile environment. Okay, next page. This is inside picture of this product. First is the motherboard is named the ECMI717, and there are chassis for cooling. Here is a power module. It's named OFX075. With this power module, you can choose the wide DC power supply in. I will introduce this power module. If this product without this module, it can only support DC in 12 voltage. But if we install this module on the motherboard, it can support the power supply from DC 9 to 36 wide power input. Okay, so there are two options of the power supply. Next page is order information. There are two models. There actually have 4 models of this product. First 2 models is a different CPU platform, and also you can choose the default model or wide power model. About the installation, the wall mounting installation is default, but also you can choose steering rail installation or desktop installation optional. Okay, Next is the target market. Because the small size of this product, so it can be used on AGV or AMR market, like the unmanned sweeper or a robot arm are those applications. Okay, the KGEC-6200 will be PV phase in the next month of this year. Before going to next part, I also have a KGEC-6200. You can see the size is very small, like our hands. We can it's a very small size and lightweight. Here is the power supply and 2 USB 3, 2 USB 2, 2 LAN ports, 1 HDMI display, and here is DC in. For the right side, there it can support 2 COM ports, and next is the MIO interface. If we install 10 module inside, it can support 2 dual channel 10 ports at here. For this installation, this is the default installation with wall mounting. Also, you can choose other installation of this product. Okay. Let me share our PowerPoint. Okay, next part is the Q&A time.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for your detailed introduction. And now is the Q&A section. So before that, we prepare to FAQ from our customers for Gary. So the first, okay. So for the first question, does the KGEC-6500 has only one indication?
Yes, for now, this product only can support PCIe X-force load. But if you want to PCI or also or want to add some PCIe expansion slots, you can also with the customized solution. Yeah. Okay.
The question 2 is, does the KGEC-6200 support 2.5-inch SATA SSD or HDD?
For KGEC-6200, because it's a small size, it can only support the mSATA storage. But for KGEC-6500, it can support mSATA plus 2.5-inch SATA. Yeah. Okay, next.
Do we have some questions in the
yeah. Okay.
Share this presentation later.
Okay, we can share this presentation.
And, not okay. Do you have small size computer with?
Hello, Kevin. And you asked, do you have the small size computer with MXM? Actually, we have the computer with MXM GPU card, but it's not KGEC series. it's another series product. You can ask our sales college about this product later. Hello, Hello, Jiangluji. You ask, have you ever had a request for a removable storage option like CFast? The CFast card is a very old product, so our products now have no product can support CFast card. How to change MSATA? Can it be done? Yes. If you want to change MSATA storage, it's very easy for our customer. KGEC-6300 and 6500 series not finalized design. This is 6300. It's the finalized design. It's finalized, but the 6500 is it has the design with a fan. About the top management system, we have to ask our sales or customers if they have these solutions like the top management system for you. Okay, we will ask them later. Okay, if you have any questions about our new products, you can write in the chat box or ask now.
If you have any question after the webinar, just feel free to contact JHCTECH.
You can write the questions by emails or ask for our sales. Okay.
Okay, so now it's our marketing promotion time, and as usual, based on our incentive program for our channel partners. So we have a special offer for our partners. So the rule is for any distributor having attended our webinar and complete the order for the bare sample machine KGEC-6500 and KGEC-6200 series. And if your next order is over USD $5,000, we will deduct 50% of the sample price from your next order. And similarly, if the next order is over US $10,000, we will deduct 100% of the sample price from your next order. But you need to complete this order before February 3rd. And you need to attach your screenshot of this webinar to be the proof of the attendance at this webinar. Okay. And then we want to share some upcoming event to you. So you can see this picture. So we will go to Tokyo on January 25 to 27. We will attend Automotive World Exhibition. And April 5th and 7 we will go to Japan to attend Japan IT Week spring in Tokyo. And on March 14 to 16, we will attend Embedded World Exhibition in Nuremberg. So if you pass by and you can come to see us, we are looking forward to seeing you in the exhibition. Okay. And so at the end of this webinar, I would like to take the chance to wish you guys all the best in the new year. So I want to teach you a blessing saying in for Chinese New Year, and this is 恭喜发财. 恭喜发财 means wishing you prosperity and wealthy. Yes, so also I want to let you know this factory will be closed on 17 to 28 of January. Yes, and I think now we have done for today. And if you have any requests for our product design, a webinar topic, or any application, you can always reach out to us at marketing@jhc.com.cn. And also don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. And we can stay in touch. And okay. Okay. And I hope this webinar will help. And so see you in next webinar, and happy Chinese New Year.
Yes. Thank you, everyone, and Happy New Year. We will share this presentation for you.